Birdwatching has been a passion of mine for over 25 years, and today I would like to share with you some of the ID tips I have learned over the years and wish I knew when I first started. The first ID tip is to know where you are. As simple as that sounds, knowing what birds occur in your area will help with identification. Of the 1,000 plus bird species that have been recorded in North America, we just cut that list in half by knowing where we are. Most bird field guides have a range map illustrating where each species of bird occurs. The second ID tip is to know when you are. Knowing when to expect certain species and knowing when they are not supposed to be in your area are both important for bird identification, especially for species that look similar to each other. The third ID tip is to learn the common species first. When faced with any identification, you should first consider what species are common in your area during that time of year. Many people mistake a common bird for one that is rare because they did not take the time to learn the common birds first. The fourth tip is knowing what kind of bird you are looking at. Many people know generally what an owl looks like or a hawk. What type of bird it is you are looking at narrows down your identification possibilities even more. The fifth and final tip is to go birdwatching with others, especially organized bird walks and field trips. Birdwatching is a pastime anyone can do simply by putting up a bird feeder in their backyard or going for a nature hike. Like anything worth doing, birdwatching skills will take some time to develop. Before too long, you will be identifying birds without the help of a field guide. I hope these ID tips give you a head start on your birdwatching adventures. Thank you very much for watching, and happy birding!